Malote says he doesn't know where he'll get the money to buy building materials to fix his home. The pastor says he and his wife were lucky to escape after their roof collapsed.
Phindwe kwesithathu lancuthuka ndithe ndiyajonga ndabona sendibona inkwekhwezi ngaphandle ndibona ilanga ngaphandle ndabamba unkosikazi ndabaleka naye sazozimela kule iroom ingeke sihleli apho ke kwade ke kwazola.
The SA Weather Service has predicted favourable weather for the rest of the week.
For the remainder of the 7-day forecast period, the general idea is that we'll have a high pressure positioned either south of the escarpment or moving at times south of the country, and that worst case scenario is going to give us some light rain.
The Mngoma local municipality says while no life was lost or serious injuries reported, there was extensive damage to property caused by Monday's strong winds and heavy rains.
So far, up to 15 villages have been reported to have been affected by the storm last night. Our officials immediately moved in after the storm was over and the dust had settled. They were dispatched to visit the affected villages where they assessed the extent of the damage, also to compile a report.
The municipality says the disaster management team will remain on high alert in case more adverse weather hits the region. Ronald Masinda, Butterworth in the Eastern Cape.